The greytHR DataShare Hub module is a centralized place where the payroll service providers and their customers seamlessly exchange or share files with fewer hassles. We have previously learned how to create categories for customers to provide inputs and review the files uploaded by them. In this video, we will learn how to upload output files by creating a category for output. This gives the customer a provision to download them. Navigate to Setup and click Create Category to share files or reports. Select Output. Then click Create Category. Select the category type as Output. Then enter the category name and write a short description. Assign the users who will be able to view the files or reports. Please note that you can assign multiple users. You can upload a sample, if any, and click on Active. Please note that by default, the status will be active, but if you do not want your customers to view the created category, click Inactive. Click on Save, and then Confirm. Once you have created the category, navigate to the Output page to view and add the report. Please note that you can either click on Add Report to directly add a report, or on View More to perform other actions like locking the report, etc. So, click on View More. Here click on Confirm to lock the category if no reports are uploaded. Now scroll down and click here to upload files, if any. Add the remarks and click Upload. You can also edit the remarks by clicking here and clicking here to delete the entire file. I hope this video has helped you to know how to upload output files for your customers. With that, we come to an end. Please like and subscribe to this channel for updates about our upcoming videos.